So yeah, we have been keeping Venus with the CO2 for a week and a day or two. And yeah, I'm not going to open it up yet. I do it when we get to the slides. So first things first, let's take one of the slides, one of the pipettes. And this time I'm going to use a cover glass from here. I'm not going to use the tabletop cover glass. Okay, fingers crossed there's nothing on it. So, one moment. Ha! Sexy! Proper laboratory stuff so that I won't touch anything. Okay, let's see if this works better today. What the fuck? What the hell is going on here? Dude, I thought it was growing, but I did not know it was growing. Holy cow. Right, good, yeah, they love CO2 and acid. We're doomed. Right, let's okay. Panic! Okay, no, don't move, please don't move. Please stay there. Right, I don't know where to take a sample. Ideally I want it there, but it's hard. I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh. Right. Oh my gosh. Right, so you go there. Because why not? And then, is this a single layer? So difficult with gloves. Good, nearly good. Well, it's not that precise. Right. Yeah, you're recording? Good stuff. Everything is recording today for a change. Ooh! Yes, we have some bubbles. Right, let's see. What else do we have? 9 out of 10, that thing is alive. Downwards there. Are you alive there? No? Okay, that's fine then. Oops. Maybe something else is. Look at these, like, they look super cool. Ooh, nice image. Oh. They're like sort of combined. Hey! Animal! Little animal! I'm expecting to see animals today, so... Right, so I don't know which way. Here is something swimming. I can see them. Bottom left corner, I think. Unless this is my camera error. Like, this is like super good image of those things. So, those little... Hello? What the hell? Okay, yeah. Right, I wanted to pay attention to these circles now because they have these little dots inside. That for me tells that these are living things. Not moving, but like plants or whatever. Aha, now we're talking. Look at this. This is like so good. Hey, what? We have like 2. I think this one is more alive. Hey, there's another one there. Is that alive as well? Did you just move the whole thing? The one on the left really pushing, you know? What the fuck? Is this long thing? What is going on? The hell? This the fucking creepy. Okay, well, there's something really big living there. Holy fuck.
Okay, so those things actually... Did you see that? Did you just see that? Yeah. You telling me that's not alive, yeah? Yeah. I'm not making shit up, man. Yes, look at them. Ain't this pretty? Minus that creepy big thing, whatever. That was like a worm. The fuck is going on here? I am like spooked out of my skin. I am trying to figure stuff out and... Okay, let's go. It's gone! It's gone! It's gone! It's fucking gone. Yeah. They're moving so... What the hell? Am I doing this? Nope, definitely not. Am I? That was not my doing, was it? What? What is this? Okay, this is, let's go to 10. If it shows, it shows.
What? Okay.
Okay, so this is so... I am afraid.
Okay, oh, okay.
Oh, the bloody bugs everywhere! One just attacked me!
Bug attacked me. Why is everything so spooky?
Oh, I'm so glad I'm wearing gloves. Right, what is going on here then?
Well, what the heck is this now? Is this the age of the puddle they're living in, or what the frick is going on? Because, look, the little ones there are literally... Why is that moving now? Is that a bubble or is that something spooky?
What are you?
Why is all of this moving? Right, I think there's only... I'm not even touching anything with a camera lens or anything. They're just moving on their own, like... Oh shit. Right, I know that one there is like proper moving, but... Why? Why are you doing all of this?
Okay, yeah. I am moving the slide. Is that what's doing it?
Hey, a hook. What is going on here? Why is it all like this? Oh, that was a wrong one! Every time I fuck something up, right? This is the oil one. Dude! Yay! Whatever this here is.
Dude, what is going on here? Why did I stick it into the oil when I shouldn't have? I don't know what I'm doing.
Wherever you are alive. I know. They're all alive, aren't they? Okay, so keep floating. I know you're alive. I know it. I know you're alive. I know it. Oh, there's another one on top there going like Okay.
So yeah, they just love floating wherever they're going. Alright, so... Hello, what are you? Oh no, that's the other way. Oh, what the fuck? What are you then? Well, this one they likes it. Very much so.
Yeah, so that animal there
is drifting into the... I don't really care. Right, let's go.
What are those things now? So they have gathered together inside of a big bubble.
Wait, what part of this is alive? I think the big thing here is the thing that's alive.
That's a funny little fish, isn't it? Alright, let's look at something else. Yay! We have a lot of bubbles! Yay! Yes, they are gathered around the big bubble. What are you drinking them? Oh, hey, wait. Hello, little bubblehead. I mean, I wouldn't doubt that the sample is alive, but like
the CO2 seems to have done something like properly.
Okay, why are they around this bubble?
What is this thing? Let's see what happens here.
Are you pushing stuff? Am I pushing stuff? It's possible that all of this is happening. Yeah. Right, I do not know if this is me pushing the glass or is this just happening on its own, because right now I'm not doing anything at all, hands off. Like it's breathing. No joke. Oh my gosh. They have gathered around this bubble. It's almost like they like this ebb. What is this bubble? It doesn't look much, does it? But why does it have this purple circle? The purple glow usually means something living.
Is the circle getting smaller?
Look, it's getting smaller, isn't it?
Do they consume this? Because they are kind of like...
Huh? Dude, this is like a coffee moment. I can't, I have gloves. Look, the circle is getting smaller and smaller. Oh, now they're getting off the circle.
What the heck?
There's only like this one and a couple of more there. It is getting smaller, like. I am not doing anything. This one's gone alive. Hey! That detached. Dude, what is going on here? What is this thing? It's all gone now. Oh, gone! All gone! All gone!
What the heck was that? Air bubble? Air bubbles don't just disappear like that usually. This thing gets weirder by the second.
Yeah. We're having some sort of an issue here. Because it's round, it doesn't mean it's a bubble, man. Stop it. Is that how they eat, or?
Okay, I'm bored now. Where are you going?
I want to take my hand off, it goes somewhere else. It moves up and down, the bastard.
Hey, that's not a bubble.
That is a proper animal. Well, hello. What are you? So, it turns out that Venus loves acid and it loves CO2. So yeah, the chance of having life on Venus is high. Mars, on the other hand, I'm not entirely sure about. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it for now until I think of what to do with this silly sample there. It's kind of crazy that it went from a little bit to something so big. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye-bye. Bye-bye.